Hello students, today we are going to study about the family Asclepiadaceae known as the milkweed family. If we talk about their members, these are Asclepias curassavica, milkweed, Calotropis procera known as ack, Cryptostasia grandiflora known as chavalchatti and also known as rubber vine because these are used in making rubbers. If we talk about the characteristic features of this family, these are as the plant may be herb, shrub, trees and mostly twiners. Twiners means they do not require any special organ for their curling, so they curl around but without any spot. Stem contain milky latex. If we break the ack, we if we break the stem of ack, we see a milky latex is released. So the stems are milky latex, contain milky latex. Leaves are opposite and hold in groups are present. Inflorescence is of cymose, axillary or terminal umbel. In our previous lectures, we talk about the inflorescence type. So cymose is a type of inflorescence in which the plant grows only a definite growth. So they may be of different kinds. We will talk about in later. Now the flowers are pentamerous. Calyx and corolla are present in 5 numbers. Marginal presentations. Stamens fused with stigmatic disc to form gynostegiums and we called as gynandrous means the stamens are fused with the stigma, any part of stigma, and they are known as gynandrous condition. Fruits are of 2 follicles means the fruit are present in groups. Seeds covered with silky hairs. We we see the capsule of ack. When it broken up, then seeds are released with milky hairs. These are white and silky, so the seeds covered with milky hairs. Now we study about the type of this family is Calotropis procera. If we talk about the inflorescence, now the inflorescence is polycasyal sign means the main branch stop its growth, but the main branch divided into many branches, so these are known as polycasyal cyme. If we talk about the flower is bracteate, bracteolate, pedicellate, complete, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, pentamerous, hypogynous and cyclic. So what is bracteate? Bracteate, the leaf like structures present below the flower, like here this is the flower and this is its pedicel, and here a leaf-like structure is present. It is known as the bract. So the plant is bracteate and next term is bracteolate. Now the bracteolate is also a leaf-like structures which present between the flower and bract here. So these are bracteolate, pedicellate. The pedicel is present, complete, actinomorphic, symmetry is of equal, radial symmetry, hermaphrodite, both the sexes are present. Pentamerous, the plant pentamerous, hypogynous, superior ovary, cyclic. If we talk about the calyx, the unit is sepal, present in 5 number. Polysepalous, all the sepals are free without any fusion. Quinquential type of estivation, we will talk about its later. Corolla, petal 5, gamopetalous. The petals are in fusion. Twisted type of estivation, they overlap each other and are of different colors. Now we are going to most important feature and most important part of this family is androecium. Stamens are 5 united with the stigma to form gynostegium, also known as gynandrous. Each stamen is represented by 2 pollinia with their retiniculae and are of 2-celled. I will now let's understand what is pollinia, translator, corpusculum, what are these. So this here a structure, peck-like structure is present bearing many pollens in it. Here the pollens are present. This structure which bears pollen is known as pollinia. and this polonium bears a stalk-like structure. This structure is known as corticles. So this single is known as polonium and its plural becomes pollinia. So when these two polonium connected by a dot gland-like structure, black dark dot-like structure, this structure is known as corpusculum. So in androecium here these are two pollinia. Pollinia having a stalk-like structure is known as corticles, and these corticles are united a point is known as corpusculum, and they all collectively known as translator mechanism. So what is translator? Now the translator, when an insect comes for the pollination, they carry the whole pollinia and brings it along with it and shed off on the another flower, and the traveling of this pollinia from one flower to another flower is known as translator. So I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Pollinium, a single structure which having pollen mass, sac-like structure, so called as pollinium, and their plural is known as pollinia. Corpusculum, the pollinia of adjacent cell of neighboring anther are connected by means of short stalk called pedicles. As I state that this is the stalk-like structure is known as corticles. This is the pollinium, and they are connected by short stalk-like corticles to a distinct dark-colored dot-like gland is called corpusculum. Now, translator mechanism. Corpusculum lies at angle of gynostegium. Thus, two pollinia, two corticles, and a corpusculum together constitute a translator mechanism. आई होप आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा. जब हम दो पोलिनिया, दो कॉर्डिकल्स, एक कॉर्पसिकुलम, हेयर these are two pollinia, two corticals, one corpusculum together make a translator mechanism. Now if we talk about the gynoecium, gynoecium is of bicarpellary, ovaries free, but upper portion of style and stigma are fused. Superior means hypogynous ovary, marginal placentation, stigmatic head pentagonal. स्टिग्मा का जो हेड होगा वो पेंटागोनल होगा. जैसे इस टाइप से आपको जो स्टिग्मा का हेड मिलेगा वो कैसा होगा, पेंटागोनल होगा. एंड इट बियर्स पोलिनिया लाइक हेयर देयर इज स्टाक. सो इस टाइप से आपको इसका हेड मिलेगा. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द फ्रूट. द फ्रूट इज itario of follicle, means group of follicle is present. Flower formula we called as bracteate, so Br, bracteolate Brl, actinomorphic plus symbol. Calyx are 5 in number and are of free. Corolla are 5 in number and are fused. Androecium 5 and fused with the gynoecium, so gynandrous. Gynoecium is of bicarpellary, free and hypogynous. So now flower formula. Firstly we make the mother axis, then we make the calyx. Calyx are free and 5 in number, and we say that these are of quinquential type of aestivation. This shows the quinquential type of aestivation. Now what is quinquential type? Here the calyx are 5 in number, 5 in number. Here 1, 2 calyx are completely outer side without any overlapping. They are not inward of any other petals. They are completely outer side. And 2 petals are completely inward. They are completely surrounded by other calyx. And 1 is in overlap. One part is in inward and one part is of outward. Next, we make the corolla. Corolla are 5 in number and are a fused and of twisted type of estivation, so overlapping. One complete out, in, out, in, out, in, and are of fusion type, gamopetalous type. Next, we say that now the androecium, this is the androecium, one pollen bear which bearing many pollen sacs, and this is known as stamen, and these stamens are united with the stigma. This is the stigma that is pentagonal, as I early told that. This is the disc of gynoecium. Inside that, these are ovaries which are free and having marginal placentation. Now this is the bract, so the plant is bracteate and these are of bracteoles, so bracteolates. This is complete about the flower diagram. Now we will talk about the economic importance of this family. Firstly, medicinal पर्पस। मेडिसिनल पर्पस में टाइलोफोरा इंडिका। टाइलोफोरा इंडिका की रूट्स जो हैं अस्थमा, ब्रोंकाइटिस इनमें यूज़ की जाती हैं। किसी को सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है या चेस्ट में पेन है या लंग्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उस टाइम पर हम टाइलोफोरा इंडिका की रूट्स का यूज़ करते हैं। कैलेट्रोपिस स्पीसीज, कैलेट्रोपिस आर ऑल्सो मेडिसिनल पर्पस। ऑक्सीस्टेलाइमा रूट्स आर यूज्ड इन जॉन्डिस। Ornamental, Asclepias, Stapelia, Cryptostasia, these are of ornamental type. Bast fiber, stem of Tylophora, Calotropis and many others are used in cordage, fishing net and pins. So these are used for making the bast, जिसे हम बोलते हैं bast fibers. Rubber, latex of Cryptostasia grandiflora used in making the rubbers. Also used in tanning industry. Latex of Calotropis ginentia and Calotropis procera are used in making tanning. We call that leather. In making leather, we use the Calotropis ginentia and Calotropis procera. So this is all about your family Asclepiadaceae. ओके, आई होप आप सभी को समझ आ गया होगा. इफ़ you have any queries then you can ask me.